Hello, welcome to... Happy spring! Welcome to V-Purpose. I'm your host, Verity Curley, and in today's video, we're gonna decorate our cork wreath for Easter. And we're also gonna create a side scene, of course. Now, I'm really excited because I went to Michael's and I found these really cute bunnies. Hello, bunny. Adorable these bunnies are. I've been in love with this yellow bow and I really didn't want to take it off the wreath. So I wanted to design the Easter wreath around the bow because yellow is, an Easter color. Let's talk about this wreath. Let's examine this wreath. Different than some of the other wreaths that I've put together. It is a little flatter. It's definitely flatter. I feel as if it's supported the glue a little bit more. I haven't had nearly as many fatalities of the corks, if you know what I mean. I also think because it is more narrow, Matt doesn't hit it with the bicycle. I also found this crazy thing, and I think it's for a wreath, like to actually make it, you could totally make this like an actual like Easter wreath, just this thing. It was a little too busy for me. I didn't really want to do that. So what I did is I cut pieces off. Now this is wire, and one of the reasons why I really enjoy this wire twine on the cork wreaths is because it allows you to do different things to the wreath. Now if you don't have time to constantly be decorating your cork wreath like I do, as you can see behind me, you can decorate it and just leave it there. You don't have to change it at all. But this is just fun little things to, for the holidays. So what I did was I cut these little wire twines and then I wrapped them around the wire twine that's already there. And so it really didn't take much. I think it took about I'm gonna say 20 minutes to make this. No, maybe like a half hour. Maybe 45 minutes. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create a separate side scene to go with our Easter wreath, just like we did for the St. Patty's Day wreath. So if you've been following me on this journey of my cork wreaths and you would also like to have your own cork wreaths, please reach out to me, DM me on Instagram, and we will talk about how to make that happen for you. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. I really appreciate it. We V-purposed this IKEA desk and we turned it into a cat litter cover. I'm very excited to reveal it. I'm in the process of designing it, so look forward to that video.